Hello Vibely users, want to send a gift to a friend and make their day? Let me show you how in just few taps. Let's go. First, open the Vibely app and go to the chat of the person you want to send a gift to. Keep in mind, to start a chat in Vibely, you need to recharge, so make sure you have recharged Vibely before sending gifts. Look for the gift icon or the sticker section. This is where you will find available gifts. Choose a gift that matches your vibe, add a personal message if needed, and tap send. If you can't send a gift, make sure your account has enough balance or check if gifting is enabled in your region. What's the best digital gift you have ever received? Drop your answers in the comments. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.